Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. For today's video I will be setting up my budget for the month of April. I have here my monthly budget, and I will be also setting up my calendar if I can find my flags and paydays and bill. Beep. I will also I will be setting up my monthly calendar with my bill due stickers and paydays and all that good stuff. So yes, let's get started. And as I mentioned before, if you watch any of my videos, the stickers are made by me and I have them up on Etsy. I only have printables though, so if you want to check those out, I will be linking them down below. Oops, oh no. So, yep. Oh my goodness, I can't. There. And I apologize for the looks of my desk. It's kind of old. I've had it for like 9 years now, so it has holes in it. I swear I try to clean it before doing this. Yeah. And now the total. So this is for the income. Okay, so gonna put here that this is for my regular job. We did get the raise on the last paycheck I received. However, I had worked a little extra overtime, so the amount I got was a little higher, but according to me and my math, I should be receiving around $1,530 every paycheck. So for the whole month, I am estimating around $2,700. Hopefully I am right. Okay, now I'm gonna add my variable expenses. And my first variable expenses is my rent. We're supposed to get a rent increase somewhere this month, but I'm not sure if it's gonna happen in April and we have to pay the extra in April, or if it's happening until May. But I'm gonna budget as if it were to happen for this month, so I'm gonna budget $435. And just a little FYI, I live with other 4 people. This is why my rent is so low, and I live in San Diego, California, officially the most expensive city in the United States. So, oh, and we live in a pretty bad neighborhood too, so that's why it's a little cheaper. So for gas, I will be budgeting $180. I think I upped my gas expense to $90 per paycheck because it is very expensive. I added $40 I think earlier this week, and I didn't fill the tank. I think I hit like 3/4. So yes, I'm gonna add that. For groceries, I am budgeting $200, but I think it might be more. And then my allowance is $15. Oh no, $30. 15 is per paycheck. Yeah. And then I have my laundry, and this is 10. But no, living expenses are insane right now. And it's weird because gas prices never really came down, at least not here. In San Diego, I noticed during the pandemic, well, when people were returning to work after like the shelter-in-place order, I noticed gas prices were high, and then supposedly they were supposed to go down once, I guess, I don't know, they were trying to get their money back, but in reality that never happened, and now it's super expensive. So I mean, I know why, but just saying. Okay, so fixed expenses, that's for my bills. And my first bill, I should have added this. Yeah, I'm gonna add this first. And I have my humongous iPad here because I'm using my cell phone to record this. So my first one is 435 plus 180 plus 200 plus 30 plus 10, and that equals to $855. Sweet Lord. Okay, fixed expenses. And I have the sticker here, I took it off. I peeled it off, but I'm gonna wait until I finish this. So my first one is on the 10th, I have my internet bill, and this is 32, and this is the whole bill of the internet is divided between 3 people, so my share is 32. On the 11th, I have my Photoshop due, and I use Photoshop to do my stickers, so it's necessary. So this is 10. And then on the 14th, I have my Discover card. You guys, I spent, beep. You guys, I ended up using my credit card yet again. I'll discuss that on the next video, but I'm gonna pay $100. That is not the minimum payment. The minimum payment is $35, although it should be higher now. But I'm gonna pay $100. Then on the 26th, I have my car insurance, and this is $130. On the 27th, I have my Apple Music. I'm just gonna write Apple, and this is 10. Then on the 28th, I have my car loan due, and this is $464. Then on the 30th, I have HBO Max, and this is 15. Okay, now adding this mess up, I have 32 plus 10 plus 100 plus 130 plus 10 plus 464 plus 15, and I just realized my iPad is disgusting and it has a lot of fingerprints. I was reading this morning, so yeah, that's why it looks gross. Okay, total it's 761. I thought I made a adding mistake, but I didn't. I guess I messed it up with my pre-budget plan, but whatever. Okay, now other. First one, sinking funds. And I'm budgeting 374. I'm going to LA with my sisters for the day. It's a bad time to be taking a road trip, honestly, but I really want to go. LA road trip. I'm gonna budget 50, I think. And I think that's pretty much it. On my pre-budget plan, I had wrote in my brother-in-law's birthday celebration, which is tomorrow on the 2nd. Yeah, but I had money left over, so I'm gonna use my leftover money from my previous paycheck to pay for that and for his birthday present and the restaurant bill, part of the restaurant bill. And I'm gonna remove him from this monthly budget. Oh wait, hold on. My nails. I do want to get my nails done again. And I'm gonna budget 50. Then that ended up being more expensive than my brother-in-law's birthday present and dinner. I'm having like a nail moment. A couple of months ago, I was into eyelash extensions, but those were very expensive. Not that the nails are not, they're pretty close in price actually. But after I returned from Hawaii in January, I didn't have any eyelashes, so I stopped because according to me I was planning to save money, but then I got into nails and now I want to get them done like every 3 weeks. And I need to stop because I really need to save money. I forgot to add I'm gonna put this here since I peeled it off. I forgot to add the miscellaneous. Okay, so we have 374 plus 100, which is the 50 and the 50. That's 474. Okay, and then for totals, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't think it's gonna fit. Dang. Sorry, this is the one that peel. I don't think so. Let's peel it. Come on, come on. Ah. Okay. Oh, it worked. Maybe I should put it here. I don't think it'll fit. No, I think I'm gonna do it down here and maybe a little cramped in there, but it's fine. Okay, so first we have the variable expenses. And my expected is 855. Then I have my fixed expenses. And expected is 761. And my miscellaneous or other, too lazy to write miscellaneous, it's 474. Okay, now the totals of the totals is 855 plus 761 plus 474. It's 2090. 2090. Oh man. And then left over will go for savings. If you guys watch my previous video, I think it was one of the bi-weekly budgets, I mentioned I am planning to, well, I need to get a septoplasty, but I'm going to take advantage and do the rhino at the same time. I have a deviated septum and a broken bone inside my nose, which causes me headaches, so I'm just going to take advantage and do both. So I'm saving money for that. I expect the surgery will be around September. So yep, all my money, extra money, leftover money is going towards savings. Okay, so minus 2,700. So supposedly the amount I have for savings is 610. Okay, and I think that's pretty much all for the April budget. Normally I keep track of my credit score right here, but I think I'm gonna wait to do that. Goals, I don't have any goals. Well, save money, I guess. Not use credit cards again. So I'm gonna go straight into my calendar, which is here. And I'm gonna set my bills. So my first bill is on the 10th, and that is my internet. And the amount is 32. Hopefully you guys can see that far. I can't see the screen. And then I have my Photoshop. And this is 10. Then on the 14th, I have my Discover card due. And this will be 100. The 20, okay, 24, no. The 26th is the day my car insurance is due. And this is 130. Then on the 27th, I have my Apple Music. And this is 10. Then on the 28th, I have my car loan payment due, and this is 464. Then on the 30th, I have my HBO Max subscription due, and this is 15. Okay, now paydays. I'm getting paid on the 8th, which is next week. And I'm getting paid on the 22nd. And I think this is it. Yeah, these are all my bills and my monthly budget set. Okay, so I guess that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or subscribe or comment or whatever. If you liked my stickers, please check them out on my Etsy store. I link them down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.